This type of ER is called smooth because it lacks ribosomes on its surface. It looks smooth compared to rough ER. There are a variety of functions of this organelle, which include making lipids, processing certain drugs and poisons absorbed by the cell, storing calcium ions, for example in muscle cells. Note, the liver is an organ that detoxifies substances that are brought into the body. Therefore, liver cells have huge amounts of smooth ER. Once the proteins are processed, short chains of sugars are sometimes linked to these proteins, which are then known as glycoproteins. These glycoproteins serve as zip codes that will tell the protein where it will go. When the molecule is ready to be exported out of the ER, it gets packaged into a transport vesicle. This vesicle is made of membranes from the ER itself. The transport vesicle travels to another organelle known as the Golgi apparatus. The main function of this organelle is to finish, sort, and ship cell products. It works like the postal department of the cell. Structurally, the Golgi consists of stacked, flattened sacs, like a stack of pita bread. The Golgi receives transport vesicles that bud off from the ER and contain proteins. It takes the substances contained in these vesicles and modifies them chemically in order to mark them and sort them into different batches depending on their destination. The finished products are then packaged into new transport vesicles, which will move to lysosomes, or be inserted into the plasma membrane, or dumped out of the cell if the protein is a secretory protein. Here is a video on protein trafficking through the Golgi. Some proteins from the Golgi apparatus are transported to the lysosomes. As the name suggests, a lysosome is an organelle that breaks down other substances. Lys means to cause destruction. They consist of hydrolytic enzymes enclosed within a membrane. Hydrolytic enzymes break polymers into monomers through hydrolysis. Lysosomes may fuse with food-containing organelles called vacuoles, and then the enzymes digest the food, releasing nutrients into the cell. Protists do this. Damaged or unneeded proteins may become enclosed within a membranous vesicle, which then fuses with a lysosome. The organic molecules from the breakdown process are recycled and reused by the cell.